fresh faces. In today's video, I am introducing a natural traditional face mask which does magic on your skin. It removes scars, blemishes, wrinkles and brings youthful skin within minutes. The necessary ingredients are banana, turmeric and honey. Banana acts as an exfoliator, contains high level of antioxidants and prevents fine lines and wrinkles. It contains vitamin A, B, C and E. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components which provides glow and luster to your skin. Honey is antibacterial and delays aging process. It beats dry skin and improves complexion. Now slice the banana into pieces and then blend these pieces into a fine paste by putting in a blender. So I blended the banana into fine paste. To this paste I am going to add 1 spoon of honey and also put a pinch of turmeric in it. Mix it thoroughly. After mixing, apply this pack on your face. When you are applying on your face, please avoid your brows because turmeric slows down the growth of hair. After applying on your face, leave this mask for 10 minutes and wash it with lukewarm water. This face mask results in a glowing skin. You can refrigerate this mask for 2 to 3 days in a refrigerator. This face mask will result in a glowing skin. You'll get amazing results, guys. Please do try out this face mask and share your feedback. That's all for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay motivated. Bye.